Hello. Today I'm doing one of the dumbest things ever and creating the voice of an inkling slash octoling with only the tools provided to us in Nintendo 3DS Sound. Now first we need to create something that an inkling would say. So coordinated sounds record. Let's find something. Squeefly! There we go. Now that we have our inkling saying, now let's listen to it just regularly. Okay, this is our sound. Okay, this sounds decent, but now, yes, that sounds decent, and I'm not gonna lie, this is probably the closest I'm gonna get to an inkling voice. I slowed it down a bit and made the voice a bit higher pitched, and this is the result. But I want to do more than just one simple inkling word. I want to do the entire language. But of course I'm not going to do that. I might do a few more words. Now, let me go on the web and search what inklings say. Okay, with the 10-second research I did, oh, you guys have had to be listening to this horrible sound. Okay, yeah. Okay. Well, if you could hear my extremely hard and detailed research in the background. Okay, shut up. You will know that the inklings say things like boom and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure that's a female thing. And so I'm going to say some of the female and male things. I don't know. Okay, now, time to record. Record. Okay. Woomy. I think this is as close we're gonna get. Yeah, this is as close as we're gonna get. Like, it's hard to replicate it with only the tools that are provided to us in 3DS Sound. Because we only have the tools provided to us in 3DS Sound. By the way, I don't have my 3D on. Just to let you know, my 3D meter is at the bottom. Now that we have that one, I've been studying the inkling language. Yes, I'm a Splatoon nerd. As you can see, I'm pretty sure I've made one Minecraft video and the rest of my content has just been Splatoon related content. Yeah, I'm gonna actually be doing some more non-related to Splatoon content. Also, I'd just be called Splatoon Memer. That's actually going to be my original channel name, but I decided I didn't want to only do something that's related to Splatoon. But, okay, the male inklings their form of saying booyah is through mesh. Something like along the lines of that. So we're gonna record ourselves some mesh. Mesh. Okay, that was a horrible mesh. But time to edit. This is one of the few cases where we're gonna want to make it lower for it to sound better. For Squeaky, I'm pretty sure I slowed it down. No, I sped it up for Squeaky, and for Woomy, I slowed it. No, it was the other way around. Don't get too slow and don't get too low with it, and you'll have yourself a pretty good one. Okay, so now there is our mesh for the mailing. Also, if you're wondering, I'm a huge Nintendo nerd, so I have both the male inkling and the female inkling. Hey, no. Amiibo. I actually have quite a large collection of Amiibo. I use all of them for Smash. My little brother owns a few Amiibo too. But anyways, back on topic with Splatoon. You may have noticed my inkling boy has lost a chunk of his hair. It just came that way when I bought it. I didn't want to complain about it. Probably the reason they were selling it because when I bought it on Kijiji and they had like a brand new one that was still in the packaging. So yeah, most likely that's the reason they were selling that one. But back on topic, we will be recording what should we do next for our inkling voices. I think this is going to be the final one for today. But let me think of one of the things they say. Oh yes, the Octolings say different voice lines. Like things like Vimo and Umi. Oh crap. Accidentally recorded that. But sorry for the fireworks in the background. It's May 24. Okay, could you calm down with the fireworks, please? Okay. But let's record ourselves a Vimo for the Octolings. May 24 is now officially deemed Octoling Appreciation Day. Vimo. Now we're going to want to save this for our Octoling friends. Yeah, we're going to want... I think we're going to want to keep this at default. Yeah, there we go. That's decent for Octoling. Okay, I lied. We're going to be doing the Octoling boys. Umi, I'm pretty sure it is. Umi, kind of similar to Woomy from the female inkling, but whatever. I'm not that good at inkling, so I'm only pretty sure. So, let's record. Umi! Okay, yeah, we're just gonna want to save that so we can edit it. I'm just gonna leave it like that because I've never heard the actual voice line what I have for Vimo. So sorry if this sounds very off. Just actually, just for that, I'm just going to erase that one because that one doesn't sound very good. But if you want to hear all of them, then here are all of them. Okay, yeah, out of all of these, the Squeaky has to be the best. Squeaky is the king. The rest of you, you're failures. You're gone, Vimo. Be gone, Yesh. Be gone, Woomy. And now, we only leave Squeaky. Because this is actually perfect. Of course, it sounds perfect, but you can't actually have this compete with the actual Inkling voice. You can't actually, like, if you just had this, someone might fall for it, but if you put this next to Inkling voice, it couldn't feel you. If you put it next to real Splatoon Inkling Squeaky, then it could not compete. But it's good for this. Yes, I don't care about your SD card business. But there we are. We have just recreated the Squeaky from Splatoon in Nintendo 3DS Sound. None of you are impressed. So I'm just gonna have myself clap. Oh, look what that does on the 3DS. It just like jolts for a split second. Wow. I'm also gonna have my Kirby stuffed animal unsuccessfully clap with its little nubs. Huge Nintendo nerd. So instead, I'm going to take my Yoshi stuffed animal and my Luigi stuffed animal and have them both clap. Huge Nintendo nerd. Wow. Okay, but here it is. But here we are, and goodbye.